Hey y'all, so we are going to do a soft glam makeup look today. Since it's Valentine's Day, we're going to do a little pink. This is going to be from start to finish. I'm showing you everything. Valentine's Day, it's going to be so cute. It's going to be so cute. I'm using this gloomy gel. I just bought it. So yeah. Ooh, okay. My master primer. Do I need to come up some more? Let's see. Eyeshadow primer for my frown line.
I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby.
I'm fixing spray right here.
Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you.
Let that dry.
Wanna stay, then I'll play.
We're gonna let that dry off with the eyebrows. I've just been trying out her products in Dollar Tree, and so far I like them. And LA Girl, cause LA Girl colors. It's a new time, it's a new day. And I'm gonna just put some little setting powder on my eyes. Now let's get to the eyeshadow, and let's just work that, okay? Pull that down so on the lid. This one right here. We'll get the YK right there. We're just gonna go right in here. And then I'm gonna take this soft pink, some softer pink, right there, and kind of diffuse the edges out. This dark brown.
Yeah, girl, I know you want it.
Feeling like James, no worry.
She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna get me the adunanani. Yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna.
Yummy.
She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note.
That's pretty.
She wanna give me the adunanani. Yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends, girl? I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride the fire like a
We're looking brown. It's
do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my hands, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong. I too change, I'm too strong. Yeah. I too good, drink too
we want that face to look glowy, honey. Y'all know what we want.
Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you want it. Yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me.
Y'all trust in the process?
What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, a shot of a light. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him?
It's like a little lighter than that.
Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Oh.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the
Now, And thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you next time.